So, welcome back to the another session, that is biotechnological and its applications. I think this is enough. Okay, first question: consumption of which one of the following foods can prevent the kind of blindness associated with the vitamin A deficiency? Flower sour tomato, that is A. B is canola. C is golden rice. D is the BT brinjal. So consumption of which one of the following foods can be prevent the kind of blindness associated with vitamin A deficiency? That is golden rice. So the golden rice, which is rich in a vitamin A, so that can prevent the night blindness. Second question: Bacillus thuringiensis BT strains have been used for designing novel biofertilizer, biometallurgical techniques, biomineralization process, and bioinsecticidal plants. So this BT used for designing novels, that is for bioinsecticidal plants. Third question: the genetically modified brinjal in India has been developed for insect resistant, enhancing shelf life, enhancing a mineral content, drought resistant. So here the genetically modified brinjal in India, that is made for or developed for the insect resistant. So that is a so developed for the insect resistant. So option A is the right answer. With the fourth question: BT toxin. Okay. BT toxin kill the larvae of certain insects. Kill the larvae of certain insects. First one, by binding activated toxin on the midgut of epithelial cells, creating a pores leading to the swelling and lysis. By stopping transcription of larval cells. By altering the central dogma taking place in the cells of gut of a larva. By stopping protein synthesis. So here BT toxin can kill the larvae of certain insects. BT means that is a Bacillus thuringiensis that produces a toxin. That toxin, so it will be in the inactivated form that we call as a protoxin ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. When toxin binding to the activated means that became a toxin on midgut epithelial cells, that going to creating a pores. The small pores will be produced, leading and swelling and lysis of the complete digestive system. So that is option A is the right answer. Okay. Fifth, cryoproteins is obtained from Bacillus thuringiensis, Bacillus subtilis, Clostridium welchi equally. The cryproteins are obtained from the Bacillus thuringiensis. So various different types of cryproteins are there, and those different kinds of cryproteins are obtained from the Bacillus thuringiensis. Sixth question: Crygenes have been introduced in cotton and corn, rice, potato and soybean, all of the above. So here crygenes are different crygenes are there, and these all different kinds of crygenes are introduced in there. So cotton, corn, rice, potato, soybean. So answer is all of the above. Okay. So seventh question: BT toxin is harmful to insect like Lepidopterans, tobacco, budworm and armyworms. B is the coleopterans. C is the dipterans, and the answer is all of the above. So here BT toxin is harmful to the all kind of this Lepidopterans, coleopterans and dipterans. So all of the above. RNA interference, that is a technique has been devised to protect the plants from nematode silenced by the double-stranded, silenced by the dash produced by host plant, double stranded DNA, single stranded DNA, double stranded RNA, and target proteins. So here the host plant will going to produce a double stranded RNA, so that makes a complementary strands, and that is double stranded RNA, so that is produced by the host plant to silence the means so that is silence the nematode. Okay. Next, ninth question. Ninth question. Tobacco plants is a nematode have been developed introduction of DNA that produces in host cell. Option both sense and antisense RNA, particular hormone, and antioxidant, and option D is the toxic protein. So here the introduction of DNA that produces a sense and antisense of a RNA, the both are become complementary to each other, and that double stranded RNA which going to impact upon the means which going to silencing the mRNA of nematode. So that is answer A is the right one. So next, 10th question. C peptide of human insulin is a part of mature insulin molecule, and B is responsible for formation of disulfide bridges removed during a maturation of proinsulin to insulin. C responsible of biological activity. So here the C peptide of human insulins that will be removed during a maturation of proinsulin to the insulin, from early insulin into the matured insulin, so where the C peptide is get removed. So 11th question. The first human drug that is made using a recombinant DNA technology was glyphosate, ATPA, insulin, erythropoietin. So here, so that insulin is the correct answer. So the first drug made by the recombinant DNA technology, that is RDN technology. 12th question. Equally are produced used in production of rimafacin, that is luteinizing hormone, ecdysone, and interferon. Interferon, so that is the answer for where equally is used for the production of interferons. And 13th question. The first clinical gene therapy was given by 1992 for a 4 years old girl with enzyme deficiency of option A adenosine deaminase, tyrosine oxidase, monoamine oxidase, glutamate and dehydrogenase. So answer is adenosine deaminase. So where deficiency of this adenosine deaminase, where the first clinical gene therapy was introduced. 14th question. In some children, ADA deficiency was can be cured by, so option A bone marrow transplantation, option B enzyme replacement theory, option C both A and B, none of the above. So here some of the children adenosine deaminase deficiency were cured by both bone marrow transplantation as well as the enzyme replacement theory. So option C is the right answer. 15th, the site of production of adenosine deaminase body is bone marrow, lymphocytes, blood plasma, and monocytes. Here, the site of production of adenosine deaminase is, that is, lymphocytes. 16th, genes of interest can be selected from genomic library by using restriction enzymes, cloning vectors, DNA probes, and gene targets. Here, the genes of interest can be selected from genomic library. Genomic library, so the consist of numerous of genes, where the selection of that is a selection of the genes. So it is using by the DNA probes. So DNA probes is the, that is a method where the genes of interest can be selected from the genomic library. Seventeenth question. DNA or RNA segment tagged with the radioactive molecule. DNA and RNA or RNA segment tagged with the radio molecule is called vector, clone, probe, and plasmid. So here, so that radioactive molecule, that is the probe, radioactive molecule, that is the probe that is used to tag the DNA and the RNA in the recombinant DNA technology. 18th question. So transgenic animals are those which the foreign DNA in some cells, foreign DNA in all of their cells, foreign RNA in all of their cells, both A and C. So here the transgenic animals, those which have a foreign DNA in all of their cells. For example, if we take Dolly, Dolly is a first transgenic animal, that is a ship, and which was consist of a foreign DNA in all of their cells. 19th question. Today, transgenic model exists many human diseases which includes cancer, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and Alzheimer's disease. So options ನೋಡೋಣ. 1 and 3 only. Option B 2 and 3 only. Option C 1 and 3 only. So option C is D is all of this. So today the transgenic models exist for all human diseases like cancer, cystic fibrosis, or rheumatoid arthritis, or Alzheimer's disease. So all these diseases are cured by that is a recombinant DNA technology. Okay, 20th question. The protein alpha antitrypsin used to treat cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, Alzheimer's disease, emphysema. So here the protein alpha antitrypsin that is used to treat the emphysema. So that emphysema is that is a respiratory disorder. So that is cured by the cured by the alpha 1 antitrypsin. Okay, 21st. Maximum number of existing transgenic animals is if maximum number of existing transgenic animals is if fish, mice, cow, or pig. So mice is the right answer. Mice B. Mice is the right answer. So maximum number of transgenic animals are from a mice. So next, GEAC stands for. So that is options are Genome Engineering Action Committee, Ground Environmental Action Committee, Genetic Engineer Approval Committee, Genetic and Environmental Approval Committee. So here, so option is C is the right answer, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. So that is a JAC, that is used for the ethical committee are there. So when you conduct experiments on organisms, any living organisms or human beings, you have to take approval from the Genetic Engineer Approval Committee. Okay, 23 question. How many varieties of rice has been estimated present in India? 2,000, 20,000, 2 lakh, and 20 lakh. So 2 lakh is the right answer. That is till now estimated rice which is present in India. Okay, 24th question. In which variety of rice was patented by US company, even though the highest number of varieties the rice is found in India? Sharbati Sonara, Co 667, Basmati, Lerma Rosa. So here the Basmati rice, so the US has got a patent. So answer C is the right answer. Okay, so we'll come for a match the following type of questions. Match the following, choose the correct combination. Okay, column 1, Escherichia coli, Bacillus thuringiensis, Rhizobium meloti, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Column 2, NIF genes, interferon, beta toxin, and vector. So if you take Escherichia coli, so that is interferon. So that Escherichia coli used for the production of interferon. And B. Bacillus thuringiensis, that is a Bt toxin. Okay, Rhizobium meloti is the NIF genes. Ni. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is the, that is a vector, plant vector. So option C will be the right answer. Option C will be the right answer. Okay. 49th. So match the following: GMO, genetically modified organism, flavor sour tomato, biopiracy, equally increased shelf life, bioresources, rDNA, insulin. So here 49th, that is genetically modified organism is recombinant DNA technology. Flavor sour tomato is increased shelf life. Biopiracy, that is bioresources, and equally is insulin. So option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. 50th question. Match the column 1 with the 2. Identify the correct option. Column 1, the gene therapy. The column 1 have, that is the gene therapy, biofertilizer, Bt cotton, and humulin. In column 2, the rhizobium, chrysine, and SCID, and diabetes. So here 50th question. Gene therapy, that is SCID. The gene therapy is SCID, and even so biofertilizer is rhizobium, and Bt cotton is a chrysine, humulin is a diabetes. So option B is the 50th. B is the right answer. Correct. B is the right answer. 51. Match the column 1 and 2. Correct the option. Golden rice, Bt toxin, RNA, and rosy. Here cry protein, vitamin A, first transgenic cow, and gene silencing. So we'll go. Golden rice is vitamin rich in vitamin A. RNA is, that is a gene silencing. Rosy is first transgenic cow. Bt toxin is a cry protein. So BA2, B1, C4, D3. So option 51. So option is A. So option is, that is A. 52nd question. Match column 1 and 2. Choose the correct option. Forensic science, ELISA, probe, alpha antitrypsin. Column 2, AIDS, radioactive DNA or RNA, epistema, DNA fingerprinting. So here forensic science is DNA fingerprinting, and ELISA is that helps in the detection of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Probe is a radioactive molecule for DNA and RNA. Alpha antitrypsin is, that is used for the treatment for epistema. So option 52, option is B. Option is B. Okay. Thank you. I think hope you enjoyed this session. So remaining questions, to take it as an assignment, please go through it. So if any doubts, please let me know about it. Thank you.